Check this out, encountered another awesome install. So these butt connectors, like crimp caps, pretty fucking cool. Alright, so I need to dive in, take this off, this black tape. I fucking hate black tape. So I can connect my remote wire. Yeah, this car's a fucking pigsty. Text them. So that's where I'm running the power wire all the way up and through. Up there, through there. And then I got the Sky Highs, RCAs going down through there, up through here, through there. I'll clean those up a little bit. Through there. And then it's always awesome when somebody asks you to do a install and everything's just full of fucking trash. Look at this shit. Rusty ass wrench. So I'm installing that prefab bullshit. Downward firing sealed on this JL crap on I forget what series or whatever, some W7 bullshit, but this is what I'm doing. Oh yeah, so the power wire that was in the back seat. Look at this shit. Terrible. So the power wire I ran through that boot. There's the boot through there. Haven't fused it yet, but yeah, still gotta fuse it. That's what I do last. So, disgusting. Now I'm trying to find a good ground. So the resistance on this Klein is 0.2. So I looked under and I saw light come through here. So if I can get a good reading off of this, I'll just run a bolt through here and tighten it down really well. So I had a remote wire, alligator clip, runs all the way to the negative wire for the battery. From the battery to the negative. I sanded some of the paint off.
I would decorate my brakes. Look, Dad.
Wow, that looks cool, boo boo. So we had -2 from everything that I've seen on YouTube and reading on forums and stuff. A good way to find ground is to run that wire from the negative cable of the battery with it disconnected. Positive of the battery is connected. Find the resistance of your leads on your multimeter, which mine was 0.2. So this spot reads about 0.5, so I'd minus 0.2 from 0.5, which can be 0.3. And of course you want to get as far as you can to 0, but at the most is 0.5 is what I've come across. I'm sure if I sand this a little bit better, I'll be better. So I'm gonna use this as my grounding spot. I'm at about 0.2, so I'm going to choose this for my ground. This up. I got 3 fucking blue wires not hooked to nothing. So I just watched a video from 5-Star Car Guys or Car Audio, and they explained the Kenwood power harness. I don't even know what P count means, but I thought this was the amp remote, so it is. I guess these are a problem with Kenwood. They don't always work for like static or whatever, 12 volts, some shit. But anyways, you got a Kenwood. Kenwood. This is your remote. Good, we got power. It's playing. I'm not going to be cleaning all this up because he's crazy. There's a bunch of shit under here. He just throws shit everywhere. So at least he'll give him some kind of movement. Other than that, man, I'm going to wrap this thing up. Throw the DD1 on it, the CC1. Call it a wrap. Put all the shit back together. So that's how I ran the fuse. That's it, man. Just finished that little install of that dirty ass fucking Mustang. I mean, it's a piece of shit box, prefab. I personally fucking hate sealed boxes. I think they're pointless, worthless. I think you cheat yourself out of so much sound and music. And I hate ported boxes, but he had that in his Escalade or something, downward firing, and honestly, in his Escalade, it sounded pretty good. For what it is in his Mustang, sounds alright. I didn't charge him much, but I did text him and say like another 50 fucking bucks. But yeah, that's that. And play a little sub demo of it, and so you can see the sub moving. And that's it, man. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and all that other happy shit. Now I gotta get back to my Alpine Type R 12 box. Building for somebody. Later.
I know so much I can't live. I know so much every time. I'm about to live my life today free. She said she broke down when Prince died. My hair down, Prince listened. Keep your ass up and be inspired. You know many bodies in the street. Take the mask off so you can see.